So yesterday I was doing a coaching session, and at the end of it, I gave him some homework to do some research on brands that were selling products similar but not exactly the same as his, but that were in a more matching price point for what he thought he could sell his product for. And he came back to me after the session and said, "Hey, I'm looking at these brands and I'm wondering, when I do my photo shoot, are my models supposed to look like they just got a notice from the IRS that they have back taxes due? Because that's what all of the models look like on these sites." And I told him absolutely not. Your models, their expressions, the way they look, they should emulate your brand. So if your product is a fun product, is a joyful product, which his is, then the last thing you want your models to look like is that they're bored or worried out of their minds that they've got money due. They should look like they are having the kind of fun wearing your product as you want your product to bring to people. Branding is all about consistency in your messaging. So a fun product should have fun models, should have a fun website. You don't want understated elegance for a product that is supposed to be joyous. You want joy. So when you are thinking about how you want to present your brand, from the fonts to your logo, to your website, to pictures that you are going to present to the world, make sure that messaging stays consistent. And don't ever feel like you have to do what another brand is doing. You want to do what feels good to you, what's in here, what says, yes, this is why I'm doing this in the first place. And keep that message always, always, always consistent.